In this video, we're going to be going over the microbit. The microbit is the brains of our projects that we're going to be doing in this unit. You can see on this side that has the logo of microbit on it. There are a couple of other important things to note. We do have a micro USB port, followed by a reset button, followed by a port where we can add an external battery pack to power the board. You can see some labels to those ports, as well as one that says BLE antenna, which means that the board does come with Bluetooth connectivity. In the bottom left, we see writing that says processor, compass, accelerometer, and pins. Now the processor could be considered the true brains of the microbit board, similar to how a computer has a CPU chip in it that sort of acts as the CPU for the microbit. The compass and accelerometer peripherals allow us to tell which direction the board may be facing or any sort of motion it might be experiencing at a given time. Finally, the pins does refer to the golden part at the bottom of the board, but we'll talk more about that when we look at the other side. Now, if you look on the other side of the board, you will first see this grid of 25 crystal-like squares. Each of those is a single LED light. LEDs stand for light-emitting diodes, and they can each be programmed to turn on or off individually within our coding platform. On the left and right, we do have buttons that are labeled A and B. Now in the bottom, we do see that gold bar again, but this time it's labeled. We see the numbers 0, 1, 2, then 3 volts, and ground. 0, 1, and 2 are input-output pins that can be used to send a signal or read data from different components that we plug in. 3 volts is used to provide power to those components, and ground grounds them. Now looking at the microbit from a top-down view, we can see the micro USB port, as well as the battery pack port, which could be used to power the board separate from the micro USB. And that is the microbit.